busy. It is inaccessible. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. Es ist notwendig, die Instruktionen zu befolgen. Notwendig. Where did you see the word notwendig?
Yes, sin, man.
Okay, notwendig is necessary to do it. So that means you must do it. Yesterday, you people just saw that. I sent a video of a very small baby.
Yeah, ma'am.
He is hardly able to walk. The first thing he is taught is don't throw things here and there. This is what they do. From the moment the child learns to walk, he is taught that things have to be thrown in the dustbin and not here and there. An Indian will never ever learn that to throw things in a dustbin. We just throw it the way wherever we are. We just throw something and just walk off. That is the last thing one should be doing. And that is the only reason I sent that video. The child is inculcated this particular habit ever since he starts learning to walk. So you are the future of the country, and you people have to do this to make a clean India. Modi बिचारा बोलता रहेगा कचरा इधर उधर मत फेंको. Well, you are the people who have to do it, no? And these children from that age, they have that in mind. They're trained like that nothing has to be thrown around. So never in his life will he be able to throw anything around. Whatever, he will simply look for a dustbin and put it in the dustbin. Until they don't find a dustbin, they will hold it in their hand or put it in their pocket and carry it with them. And whenever they see a dustbin, if they don't find a dustbin in the road, bring it home, put it in the dustbin. But don't throw things here and there. You are spoiling your own environment, your own city. Okay, this is a very simple thing, but I don't know why an Indian doesn't understand that. With this sentence I remembered. This is a musen. Musen. It is a duty which should come from within you. That it is my duty to keep my country clean. Ich muss. Ich muss Sachen nicht hierher werfen. Ich muss Müll nur in den Müllabgabe werfen. Only in the dustbin I should put it. Are you following what I'm saying? So
Yes, ma'am.
please train yourself.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, and going further, please train. It is nothing much that a country asks from you. We cannot go and fight at the borders, but basic things we can, sitting here, we can do. Keep the country clean. Don't throw things here and there. Just put it in the dustbin. Chocolate खाओ, paper वहीं फेंक देते हो. How can you do that? How can you just throw things around? Even in the university, if I give chocolate or Cadbury, there they will eat, there they'll throw. Even after giving so many instructions, the papers will be lying everywhere. So this is the simplest thing you can do to help your country. Just don't throw things around. Take it with you. Wherever you see a dustbin, please put it there. Is it not so simple?
It's simple.
So es ist notwendig. When I just read that word, that came to my mind. It is necessary. It is necessary. That means this should come from within you. This is necessary for me to do. Nobody needs to tell you this. And you see that baby, how cutely that baby is trained to throw things into
There's
the
Yudush,
dustbin.
ma'am.
Whatever you see, pick it up, throw into the dustbin. Huh?
Yeah, mine's Yudush, your baby.
Yeah, very cute. No, I have seen this myself. We had gone to Singapore once, and that baby, one of the child had just learned to walk. The baby was so enthusiastic, just wanted to walk around, and so the parents had brought it to the zoo, and the baby still would not sit, and it was time for lunch. So the mother, after they finished lunch, one thing the mother is giving the baby, and the baby is running to the dustbin, putting it in the dustbin, coming back. So at that age, the moment they learn to walk, they had trained like that. And that's a really good thing. And the baby was very, satisfied. I'm doing something, that I'm walking and I'm doing something. So another moment, the mother will give something else, the baby will go and throw in the dustbin. So that time only I just realized this is a really good way of training children to
Yes,
throw
ma'am.
things into the dustbin. And then yesterday I came across this video. I said, okay, this is the exact thing I should be, forwarding to you people.
Right, ma'am.
Okay. So es ist notwendig, die Instruktionen zu befolgen. No? Müssen. No. Yeah, müssen only. Yes. So, how will you change the sentence, people?
Man muss
Man
die
muss
Instruktionen befolgen.
Okay, man muss die Instruktionen befolgen. And if you don't want to make it active, how will you make it passive?
Instruktionen müssen befolgen.
Mhm. Passive, how do you change passive modal verb?
Die Instruktionen müssen befolgt werden.
Befolgt werden. PP plus in werden. Modal verb plus PP plus werden. So die Instruktionen müssen befolgt werden. Okay, don't forget what you have already learned because we don't have time to revise all those things here back. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. Er ist nicht fähig, das Fahrrad selbst zu reparieren.
Können?
Können.
Okay, but nicht is there.
Können, ma'am.
Können is good, but the nicht is there.
Nicht können.
Nicht können. Okay, fähig sein. No, fähig sein was there for you, but fähig sein is there in the list of können. But there is a negation here. Okay, Ramesh, don't think that only wherever I gave negation, only their negation will come. It is not like that. It can come anywhere else also. Okay, so this is nicht können. So er ist nicht fähig, das Fahrrad selbst zu reparieren. Who will change the sentence?
kann das Fahrrad,
Hmm?
kann das Fahrrad selbst nicht reparieren.
Okay. Er kann das Fahrrad nicht selbst reparieren. Right. The sentence is correct. But suppose I'm just looking at the sentence, look at the sentence. Er ist nicht fähig, das Fahrrad selbst zu reparieren. Right? In senior, you have seen the sentence. Then what next sentence can you add here? This is something you have learned in your senior diploma.
Reparieren lassen.
Very good. So, can you give me the correct sentence?
Er muss das Fahrrad.
No, forget modal verb. Just put lassen.
Okay. Er lässt das Fahrrad reparieren.
Was reparieren?
Ja.
Okay. Now here, er ist nicht fähig, selbst das zu reparieren. Dann muss er es repariert lassen. He must let somebody do it when he self cannot do it, right? So, I hope you remember this part of the grammar, what you have learned before. Lassen?
Lassen plus infinitive.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The er lässt, and lassen is the third type of conjugation. So, er lässt das Fahrrad reparieren. Yeah? Okay. Are you following what I just said, people?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So when such things are there, when you cannot do it of yourself, you have to let someone do it for you. Or, okay, you have some help for that. Okay. So next sentence. Effa hatte keine Möglichkeit, rechtzeitig zu antworten. Keine Möglichkeit haben.
Nicht können.
Nicht können.
Okay.
Ma'am, dürfen.
Mhm.
Nicht können, ma'am.
Dürfen is there? 1 minute, let me check. Okay, dürfen also you can use. Okay, change the sentence, people.
Eva kann rechtzeitig nicht antworten.
Konnte.
Because the word hatte is there. Hatte is there. It is a past tense sentence. So you have to put the modal verb also in the past tense.
Okay. Eva konnte
No, in past tense, no umlauts are there. Konta.
konnte rechtzeitig nicht antworten.
Okay. Eva konnte rechtzeitig nicht antworten. Anyone wanted to put a dürfen here? Someone wanted to put a dürfen, no?
Eva durfte rechtzeitig nicht antworten.
Okay. Eva durfte. Again, no umlaut. Eva durfte rechtzeitig nicht antworten oder Eva konnte rechtzeitig nicht antworten.
Ma'am, is it possible? Eva hatte rechtzeitig antworten können. Double infinitive, ma'am.
You want to put the sentence in perfect.
Yeah, ma'am. Plus come.
Okay. If you want to put it in perfect, then you can do it like that. Eva hatte rechtzeitig.
Nicht antworten können.
You
Oder
can do that. Nicht, yeah.
dürfen.
Rechtzeitig nicht antworten können oder dürfen. Okay, what we are doing is we are using the preteritum form of it. In case you want to put it in the perfect form, then second place you have to put haben and double infinitive at the end. Antworten können. Okay, are you following these people?
Yes, sir.
So in case you want the sentence in perfect, you can do it like that. But sometimes that might be confusing. So it is better you stick to preteritum form. That's easier. But you can still do it like that. You can still do it. So Eva hatte rechtzeitig nicht antworten können. That also is possible. Okay? Everyone else followed this, people? Have you done this in your senior?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then let's go to the next sentence. Es ist verboten, Geld selbst zu drucken.
Dürfen.
Dürfen?
Nicht dürfen.
Yeah.
Okay, how do you change the sentence?
Man darf Geld nicht selbst drucken.
Okay, man darf Geld nicht selbst drucken. Or put it in passive.
Man darf Geld nicht selbst
No. If you're putting it in passive, the word man has to go.
Geld
Hmm?
darf
Geld.
nicht
Hmm?
gedruckt werden.
Geld darf nicht selbst gedruckt werden.
Selbst gedruckt.
Okay. And with this sentence, I remember that series, ich glaube, das war eine Netflix-Series. What was that? Money Heist.
Money heist.
Haben Sie das gesehen?
Yes, ma'am.
Also
Spanish.
die Studenten, die diese Series nicht gesehen haben, ich empfehle Ihnen, das zu sehen. Es ist sehr, sehr schön. Sehr, sehr klüglich gemacht.
मैम 3 सितंबर को अगला पार्ट आ रहा है
I know, my daughter was already excited yesterday. 3rd September, 3rd September. What is there on 3rd September? It seems the next part is coming. As children are more excited. The last part is coming. It's already 4 seasons, and the last season is coming. It is very cleverly done. The series is very cleverly done. Of course, it has its own faults and loopholes are already there, but even then, it is really cleverly done. They attack a mint and they print money. Sie drucken Geld für selbst. So, ich empfehle Ihnen, wenn Sie das nicht gesehen haben, Sie müssen das sehen. Es ist sehr, sehr klüglich gemacht. Es ist eigentlich eine spanische Series, aber man hat das auch in Englisch und das ist auch in Hindi übersetzt. So, wenn Sie nicht gut Englisch verstehen können, Sie können das auch in Hindi sehen. Oder Englisch, nein, ich kann nicht sagen, English is good. The English translation is not very good. They have just used slang language. Total slang language has been used for translation. But then, yes, we don't have an option because we don't understand Spanish. English is at least the last option for us. But it is also in Hindi. People who don't follow English, it's also there in Hindi. Is it on Netflix, people?
Yes, ma'am.
या मैम
Okay, Netflix. Yeah, this is something worth seeing. Of course, it has all in the Hindi movie, ka drama is already there, but still it is worth seeing. And people are making already this translation in Hindi also. Some movies are coming and some series are coming, copy series in Hindi also are on their way. So somebody can also talk about this. Just when you have seen this series, just write about this in German. Okay, at least you will be doing something in German then. I don't want to give spoilers more. That is what I'm not telling more about it. But for people who just want to write about it, write. Okay, so when I came across this sentence and I remembered, Geld selbst drucken. Diese Leute drucken selbst das Geld. Und dann naturally sie nehmen das mit. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. Sie beabsichtigen, ein Haus zu kaufen. Beabsichtigen is as good as. Okay, beabsichtigen is same as Absicht haben. Okay, Absicht haben. But here the word Absicht is an adjective. And from that adjective, a verb has been made, beabsichtigen. And if you don't know, let me tell you, words beginning with be are usually accusative. Usually accusative. Of course, there are exceptions to it also. Now, let us see how good this batch is. If this batch is good enough, then I can give you this list of words and all these things. It depends on the batch. If the batch is very absorbent, then I can give you more material. If the batch is itself not interested, then I just stick to a few things and just finish off. Okay, so yeah, there's a list of verbs and all is there. And which verb will take what? Accusative, which verb will take dative, which verb will take genitive also. I can give you in case you are interested. But since this verb is come here, let me tell you, any verb which you want to make accusative, you can add a be in front and it becomes accusative. Okay, Absicht haben is actually your adjective plus verb, right? And then a be is added to it, it has become accusative. Sie beabsichtigen. But the still that essence of Absicht still remains in that. So looking at that word only, you should tell it is wollen. Okay. Are you following what I'm saying? Are you listening?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. There is only one verb, I think, no, for what you know is, what is that verb? Again, I forgot. Okay, leave it. When I remember, I will tell you. Okay, so beabsichtigen, as you know, this is accusative verb and it indicates modality wollen. Yeah, so who is going to do the sentence? Okay, okay. Sie wollen ein Haus kaufen. Okay, fine. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. Ich empfehle Ihnen, mehr Obst zu essen. Now the word Empfehlungen. Where is this Empfehlungen coming from?
Sollen.
Yeah, ma'am. Sollen.
Sollen. Empfehlen, you recommend somebody or you advise somebody, then it goes to sollen. Yeah? So, ich empfehle Ihnen mehr Obst zu essen. How will you change the sentence?
Sie sollen mehr Obst essen.
Sie sollen mehr Obst essen. Okay. If there is a doer in the sentence, then you put the doer. If the doer is not there, then you either add man in the sentence or you go to passive, one of the two. Okay, people, are you following this? Ich empfehle Ihnen. Ihnen is there, no? Somebody whom you are recommending is already there in the sentence. So if that person is there, then in the sentence you can still use it. Okay, Sie sollen. The Sie is coming from the verb Ihnen. I hope you followed that.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next sentence. Gestatten Sie, dass ich Ihnen eine Frage stelle? So where did we use this word gestatten?
Dürfen, ma'am.
Dürfen, ma'am.
Können auch.
Oops, 1 minute, sorry. Okay, visible now? Okay, gestatten is there where in dürfen and
Können.
können also. Yes, können also and dürfen also. Okay, so which one would you like to use or you want to use both? Okay, do the sentence.
Darf ich Ihnen eine Frage stellen?
Okay, darf ich Ihnen eine Frage stellen? Oder?
Kann ich Ihnen eine Frage stellen?
I think
Dürfen will be
Dürfen
better.
sounds better. Dürfen sounds better. So we stick to Dürfen. You see, you should also go with your own feeling, which is sounding better. So I think in the sentence we should stick to Dürfen only. Darf ich Ihnen eine Frage stellen? Stellen, because darf is there. Darf ich Ihnen eine Frage stellen? Okay. So this is another way of asking. First, you have to ask, please, can I ask you something? And then ask a question and not directly ask a question. Okay. Even this dürfen is a very concept which we Indians really don't understand, because taking permission is just not there in our culture. We happily do it. Even if they want to invite you for a party, he will ask you, Darf ich Ihnen einladen? And you say yeah, and then say yeah. If you say yes, then he'll say yeah, ich lade Sie für meine Geburtstagsparty ein. But first, he will ask permission. Am I allowed to invite you? This dürfen is a very important concept which we Indians just do not understand. If a child has to go out to play, he has to take permission from his mother. Darf ich draußen spielen? Dann der Mutter sagt ja, sie dürfen das. Und dann geht aus zum Spielen. But here the mother will be searching. बच्चा कहाँ है? पूरी गली में ढूंढते रहती है. Permission तो दूर की बात. The boy didn't even inform that he's going out to play. You see, the dürfen concept is really missing from our culture. You have to take permission before you do something. Even in the university, the students come and if there are any books lying on the table, they happily pick it up and start going through it. First and foremost, you are not allowed to touch anything without permission. Then I have to tell them, bitte fragen Sie zuerstens, darf ich das Buch sehen? Und wenn die Lehrerin ja sagt, nur dann können Sie das Buch sehen. Okay? It is not yours to just take it and read it without permission. You have to take permission first. So there are a lot of places where dürfen is used and we Indians just do not understand that. Okay. Okay. So I hope something about dürfen you have understood now. Okay, the next sentence. Es ist nicht nötig, dass Sie so früh aufstehen. Nötig.
Müssen.
Müssen.
Ja, was ist nötig?
Necessary.
Necessary.
No, modal verb I'm asking. Modal verb.
Müssen.
Nicht müssen.
Okay, nicht müssen. Okay, change the sentence, people.
Sie müssen so früh nicht aufstehen.
Okay, Sie müssen so früh nicht aufstehen. And one more thing I would like to tell you here. So if you're using müssen, fine, you can use müssen. But in case you are using nicht müssen,
Brauchen.
then you can change it to brauchen plus zu. Have you seen that in your senior diploma?
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, so in case you have to use nicht müssen, you have to replace it by brauchen plus zu. Okay, müssen does not take negation most of the times. Of course, you can still use nicht müssen, but it is recommended not to. So change the sentence then. How will you change it?
Sie brauchen so früh nicht aufzustehen.
Very good. Sie brauchen nicht so früh aufzustehen. Okay. So in case something nicht müssen comes in your exam, write both the sentences then. Write nicht müssen, also write brauchen plus zu. Okay. Let's go to the next sentence. Julia ist nicht in der Lage, sich alles zu kümmern. Kümmern is to take care of. Kümmern, sich kümmern no? To take care of, or to worry about. So she is nicht in der Lage. What does it mean?
Nicht können.
Nicht
Okay.
können, ma'am.
Okay, nicht können. Okay, do the sentence.
Julia kann sich nicht
Julia kann sich nicht alles kümmern.
Very good. Julia kann sich nicht alles kümmern. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. Es ist unsere Pflicht, anderen zu helfen. Pflicht sein.
Sollen.
Anyone else wants to try anything else?
müssen, ma'am.
Müssen. Anyone wants to try anything else? You have to look at the sentence and say which modal verb you are going to put there.
Wollen.
Sollen? Okay, you are walking on the road, and old man is carrying so many things, and he just falls down, and all the things are on the road. Then
Wollen.
no. Then what?
Wir müssen helfen.
Wir müssen.
Yeah. Do you want anybody to tell you, please go and help the man, or automatically you will just go and pick him up, pick his things up, seat him, give him some water? Would you do it, or you will just walk away? Yeah, people, what would you do?
We will directly go.
Es muss anderen helfen.
Yeah. So would you help the man? Would you just pick him up, pick his things up? Would you do it, or you will walk away?
We will do that.
You will do it, no?
Yes.
You won't do it, Sai Kiran?
Yes, we will do it.
So it is, you see, you know it from inside that it is your moral duty to do it. You don't need anybody to tell you to that, right?
Yes.
So something what comes from within you, then you have to put a müssen there. It is your duty. You do not need anybody to tell you that. I must do my homework. That means it is your moral duty to do it. You don't need a teacher to tell you, please do your homework, do your homework. Or your parents to tell you that. Okay, it is you should know from inside that you should do it. So all such things which you know from inside, it is my duty to do it, will take müssen. So look at the sentence now. Es ist unsere Pflicht, anderen zu helfen. You know for yourself that if someone is in need, you don't need to be told. Automatically, you have to go and help somebody. And the best example I gave you is somebody falls on the road. You please help him stand up and pick up his things and give him. No, the bikers, if you see on the road, one bike wala falls down, all of them will stop. Have you seen it on the road?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a union. They'll stop, they'll put him, they'll seat him, they'll give him some water, even they'll block the road, doesn't matter. But how they stand for each other. So they have this sense of müssen in them. And a biker is a fellow from the bikers group, and we have to take care of him. Nobody tells them that, but still it comes from within. So such things where things come from within you, you have to put müssen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next time looking at the sentence only, if you feel that this thing you have to do and you don't need to be told about it, then you happily put a müssen there. So es ist unsere Pflicht, anderen zu helfen. We'll change the sentence.
Man muss anderen helfen.
Man muss anderen helfen. Or passive.
Wir Ma'am, wir müssen anderen helfen.
Es ist unsere Pflicht. Okay, very good. Es ist unsere Pflicht. From the word unsere, you have to make it wir. Wir müssen anderen helfen. Okay? Okay, followed people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then let's go to the next sentence. Sie hat die Begabung, mit Kindern gut umzugehen. Begabung haben. Was ist Begabung haben?
Talent.
Talent, skills. She has the skills to just mingle up very well with children. Children are very happy having her around. So, what is that modal verb we are going to put? Yeah? Kyonen. Kyonen. Everybody wants to put Kyonen?
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So, do the sentence then.
Sie kann mit Kindern gut umgehen.
Yeah, noch einmal, Glory.
Sie kann mit Kindern gut umgehen.
Very good. Sie kann mit Kindern gut umgehen. Okay, very good. Then let's go to the next sentence. Ich wurde aufgefordert, meinen Pass mitzubringen. Aufforderung. Was ist Aufforderung?
Instruction.
Instructions. Ich wurde aufgefordert. I have been instructed.
Sollen.
Okay, what do the others want to put? Are the others in class?
Yes.
Müssen.
Sollen oder müssen?
Yeah.
Sollen.
Hmm? Okay, ich wurde aufgefordert. That means I have been instructed. I have been instructed by somebody, to do something. That means
Where
from
to do?
outside, yes, from outside there is somebody who is telling me what to do. So you put sollen there. When somebody asks you to do something, you put a sollen there. Okay, who is doing the sentence? Nobody?
Ich soll meinen Pass mitbringen.
Yes, ich soll meinen Pass mitbringen. Ich soll, because the word sollen here gives you that I have been instructed to bring it along. Okay? Are you people there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. I think we will take a break here. Chalo, show me your faces. This is why I don't like online classes. I just talk to the walls or to myself. Yes, we'll take a break here and resume after speaking.